Welcome back to another POV. As y'all see, we got the head mount, y'all. We leaving Brent's. Just got some stuff done for the Tahoe. Want to make sure my hat don't go nowhere. But hopefully y'all can see. I can't really see what y'all can see, but I can see light in my peripheral type. Yo, see what I'm working with?
Huh?
See what I'm working with?
Oh, yeah.
Well, I forgot one thing. I'm gonna hit you up. That wheel light. I gotta get that bracket changed.
Okay.
Cause I gotta change that brake.
Okay.
And then this one over here, you can like jiggle it.
Yeah.
And I gotta change. I'm gonna change that brake at the same time. So.
Okay. That's a bet.
But I'm gonna hit you up because I'm gonna do that before I get my wheels put back on.
Yeah.
So I ain't finna be riding around like that. You feel me?
Yeah.
All right, dog. I'm gonna hit you up. All right, guys. We rolling out our first POV. Not first POV, but first POV with the head mount. You dig? Hopefully, I'm not crooked and everything. I gotta get a GoPro, guys. Got to. Hopefully it's not too much noise. Y'all are like higher up. Yeah, I gotta get these brakes changed ASAP. But I can't get my brakes changed until take that boy out of Eco. But I can't get my brakes changed until we change the mount. So that's like the downfall to that. Yeah, comment down below what you guys think about the new mount. I told you I was gonna get it though. I couldn't hold the phone for too long, like, and especially since especially with like recording, there's a big difference from having like a full perspective, you know? Oh. When I get this bracket changed too, I need to get this wheel checked. That's gonna be feeling weird. I was honestly scared if I could be able to see with this thing on, but I can't. Scraping like crazy. Sorry, y'all. A whole lot of bumps. I can tell my head mount bouncing like crazy. Stop sign coming up. Yo. That was a strong downshift. I hope I don't gotta get rotors when I get this brake change. They're like a cop. Gucci. like they clearing that all the way out. There's always been trees over here, y'all. Ooh, it's nice. Alright, y'all, as y'all see, it is raining outside. Sorry, y'all, I saw this Explorer behind me, I had to pull over, cause no sir. There's one down there. Yep. Hey guys, right into the POV. We're gonna have to pull over for a second, you dig? So we can make this video go how we want to. Cause yeah, your boy Tags, he's big inspired. So y'all know what we're gonna do. We're gonna play it safe. We're gonna pull into the BP. We're gonna play it safe. Cause yeah. And I think he's turning left. No, he's turning around. He might be going to the highway. Cause something going on the highway. But trying to avoid police interaction and tickets. You dig? But hopefully you guys are enjoying this video so far. Make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you are new. Got my son, y'all. I don't know if the camera's catching it, but yeah, it's pouring down raining. I tried to get y'all some footage while I was on the highway, but I think a tree fell over there. I ain't want to take no chances. I ain't want to take none. I don't know what y'all view looking like, but hopefully y'all can see. I hear that rain like hitting the bottom of the car too. It's supposed to be a flash flood right now. And I know it's a tornado in a couple cities. My son back here copying in the car and stuff. You know what? Today we're gonna go on the main road. I don't even be going this way, but today we're gonna go on the main road. Gonna get us some traffic. I'm definitely sliding a little bit. Like every time I like bump the gas a little bit, that way go to the left. audio is better on the GoPro versus the iPhone. We're glad to see. I know I keep talking about it. If I'm talking about it like this, y'all, if you don't know me yet, that means I'm gonna get it. Oh man, y'all don't even know this ride home, y'all. It's been kind of hectic. There was a car that spun out in a ditch by themselves. I had my windows all the way down too, like the whole way here. Come on, like, come on. You got it. You got it. Let's do it. Yes. Ooh, I can tell there's a puddle right there, boy. It's definitely don't one of those type days where you go straight home, my boy. I see how touchy that junk is. Boy, oh boy, oh boy. Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, 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 boy. You like that? He literally copying the noise of the car, y'all. I used to do that when I was little, which is crazy. Come on. We gotta get going. Come on, my friend. Come on. Fire truck over there. I want to get y'all some more footage, but the way this rain looking right now, y'all, I don't know. This video might be short and split up. I don't know. We'll see. I try to get y'all like a different type, you know what I'm saying? But it seems like the rain ain't doing nothing but picking up, boys.